Okay, so we tried the 102-inch whip. Now we've got the adjustable MFJ collapsible whip. And now it covers up to 12. So we're not, let's see here. It won't cover that where I'm at now. I've pretty much bypassed the loading coil. So it'll cover 17 meters. It'll cover 15. And it doesn't want to cover 12 now, but it did a minute ago, which is meaning it's teetering on the edge of where it wants to work. Yeah. So with a little fiddling, there you go. Okay, now it works on 10. Cool. So the other ones were just a little bit too long. So this coil, I'm gonna guess, is too small to work 40 meters and too big to work 10 meters with a 102-inch whip. So let me go over here and I'm basically on the last one, so just go ahead and take it off. We'll put it right here to where it's not touching. So now we've got it removed. It's using the entire coil plus however far I got the whip adjusted. It will not tune here probably. Okay, so it's not going to cover any of these bands. It might cover, it won't cover that either, or that. So it should cover all of 80. Well, apparently not.
Money, cut.
Let's go up high into the band. Okay, let's go low into the band. Won't cover that either. So, without using an analyzer on it to see where it's working at, I had seen that it wanted to work about 7.3 on the analyzer earlier. So let me raise this up a little bit. So I've extended it a whole another section. The sun is blasting me in the face. Okay. I'm not sure where it wants to work at. Okay. We'll go and raise it up another section. So we got, I think that's fully raised. Okay. That's completely fully raised. Nothing. So it's probably all about the counterpoise. Let's just go ahead and check, make sure it's not working somewhere else in the band. We'll go up a few at a time. Okay, it's not working there. It's not working there. Not working there. So let's go ahead and disconnect it and look at it on the analyzer. We've got the Nano VNAO right over here. So I can't show it because it won't show up on the thing because it's reflecting, but it's resonating at 6.2 megahertz. And so basically we just adjust it and figure out where it needs to be, and it'll be able to work on 40. So this is where I really like the Zygo G90 because it has the SWR plot So you could be out in the field trying to figure out where your antenna works. Where's this radio? You know, I need the nano VNA. So we'll collapse the lower part of this. God, Lord, it doesn't want to. It's like it's stuck. Hold on. Alright, let's go back down here. So I've collapsed like 3 of the main sections. Yeah. This thing's picky. Well, we'd at least be able to do FT8 with it. Okay. So it's apparently too long. So we just go over here and that one's collapsed and that one's collapsed, and we bring this one in a little bit more. Come over here, test it. Let's see how far we can go up. So in order to get down there, let's go all the way down here again. See if how narrow it is. So it's not real narrow banded, just not in the spot where you need to be. Okay. So 207. So you just need to be a little shorter. So we'll bring this one down. I'm going to put it to where it's about half. And then we'll see if that's going to do it for the entire band, maybe. I have a feeling it's going to be touchy. Okay, so that gives us the top of the band. Let's go all the way back down and see if we still have the bottom of the band. Nope. Pretty narrow. So we're covering from about 170 to the top of the band. If you want the lower part of the band, just lengthen it. So I guess it'll work for that. I can't see any reason why I would use this particular antenna when I have the MP1 super antenna. But if you don't have one of those and you wanted to build one of these and you have a 3D printer, or you just like had a way to wind a coil like that, in fact, you could just probably wind a coil like this. So if your goal is to get 40 meters, it would just wind the correct length coil and then use a whip and make your whip adjustable so that you can work 40 meters. I'm sure that we can shorten this thing. Let's go. Let's go all the way like right here. Okay. This is the whip fully collapsed. Let's see what band it will work with just that. It should be interesting. So we're using all of the coil plus that part. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be like 14. Okay. Maybe not. Nothing. I don't know what it will work. Let's see. So I would guess it would be some kind of in-between deal. So it is apparently somewhere around 10.5. So let's try. I don't even know what frequency they use on here. That's out of band apparently. So it won't even cover that. This is really picky. It's like, yeah, this is why it's so much easier just to use an end-fed antenna or something like this where it's already, you know, you got it all mapped out. And these coils, you know, I mean, you're not going to make one. But, like, let me show you a comparison to the deal here. So this is 40 meter coil. It's obviously smaller, but in the way this one works is that goes inside of there and it just shorts out, and there's your top of your antenna. It's really quite a genius idea. So basically that's 40 meters right there. You can hear the radio interacting. So this is cool. It was fun to build it, you know, and it'll work on certain things, but I'm gonna move on to the next one. I will probably try it later on with like a proper ground radio, but I'm gonna build the 80 meter coil and take the hardware off of here that I need because I don't have more of it, and build the 80 coil and see how it does. So anyway, it's okay. I don't know. I'm not even going to try and make contacts on it because I'm pretty sure it's not going to work real well.